1999, roughly about 21 years ago, you started RCM Blitz. Tell us, what is RCM Blitz? How does it differ from traditional RCM, reliability-centered maintenance
Yeah,
methodologies?
I think really what allowed me to get a niche in the market is because I did design this for manufacturing. I talked about, when I first started taking courses in RCM, anybody that was teaching it was saying, oh, no, you have to do RCM on everything at your plant, right? And I would look at that and say, my goodness, at the plant that I worked at, we had 400,000 assets, right? It would take you years to get that done. And I would venture to say that you probably would not get a return on investment on all of that work, right? So I tried to focus on where should I do RCM that I'm going to get a return on investment? And that's really, that addition alone is what turned on the lights to lots of managers that are in operations and in maintenance, because they have to be able to show, if we provide training for people, we want to get something back for it, right? So I started looking at, I was lucky enough to work with Bob Hansen in our reliability group at Kodak, and Bob wrote the book on OEE and TEEP and said, gee, OEE is the way to do this. Let's measure OEE on critical assets. And those assets that are struggling with operational losses, speed losses, and quality losses are great candidates for RCM. So any critical asset that's suffering was where we're going to do RCM. And when we did that, we were immediately starting to see results. I mean, you could do an RCM Blitz in 1 week, get it implemented over the next 4 to 6 weeks, and then start seeing results after that. And that just turned managers right on, because they got something now that they can show. We trained people, we invested money, we then did this analysis, and we spent time on that. We spent time implementing it, and we got a return on investment. We took a machine that had an OEE of 46 and took it up to 83. That's a huge difference, right? And we showed one project after another and after another. And that's basically the presentation that I did at the first SMRP that got me started, that got companies like Whirlpool and National Steel interested.
That's amazing. So it sounds like RCM Blitz is really going into an organization, looking at the most critical assets and running RCM on those, versus trying to do the entire plant all in one go, and might take years and years and years.